Welcome everyone, it's Ava Shoshana. I hope you guys had a wonderful and safe holidays. Today's video will be a grocery haul. I just got done putting my meat and the rest of my groceries away. If you're interested, stick around. This time I made sure I signed up for their membership. That way my future deliveries will be free. Inside this bag, there's an insulated bag which contains your groceries as well as some dry ice to keep everything cold and fresh. First item we have is the Sicilian pizza, which came in a bundle with the margarita pizza. These are new to Wildfork and I wanted to try them out, so I got those two. Next I have some ground beef because next week I want to make some chili. I already bought my black beans and I just needed the ground beef. Next up I have some drumsticks. I plan on using that in a couple weeks. I told myself I would ease up off the chicken. I'm failing, as you can see, because I also ordered more peri-peri chicken. This is my favorite, so I had to get more. I also wanted to try out the orange chicken. It had great reviews and I just wanted to see for myself if I would like this more than the peri-peri chicken. Next I have some flounder because I am getting tired of tuna. Honestly, I just wanted something different, so I just got the flounder instead. Next up I have the smoked pecan spice. I wanted to try it out. Got good reviews. I also bought the best of base seasoning. If you haven't tried any of the spices from Wildfork, I would recommend them. I have a few in my cupboard right now and I've been enjoying them. Next up I want to try a few of their Doro, which are basically frozen spices. Like this one is the turmeric. I got one of those. I got one of the parsley. I got a couple of the garlic. Frozen garlic, Doro is what they call them. I also got basil as well. Here is some glazed onions. I got a few of those. And I believe I got ginger. Yes, I think I bought ginger. I bought one of the Doro ginger. Alright, only thing left in the bag now is the dry ice and my receipt. I'm gonna crush that, toss that in the trash, and start to rearrange my freezer. So here's a recap of all of my groceries. I am happy that these Doro frozen garlic and whatnot, that they're non-GMO. I wasn't expecting that, so I'm even more excited to use those. If you're interested, you can always check out Wildfork if you have one in your area. This particular Wildfork is a little far from me, that's why I'm happy to be a member and use my membership to get free delivery. Now this is about a month worth of protein, so yes, that should be good for the month of January. And that's the end of my video. I want to say thank you everyone for watching. My name is Ava Shoshana. If you haven't subscribed, please do today. And yes, if you guys are interested, head to Wildfork. Prices are very reasonable and the meat is very fresh and tender and delicious. I have nothing but positive things to say about Wildfork. So yes, I'll see you guys next time.